Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. The Shiba Inu Society wants answers from Binance. Today is Shib News. Shiba Inu expert Shib Army JPN at Kuro_9696_9696 has shared some information about the Shib Army's recent achievements on the newly launched Shiba Inu test. In particular, in the last 24 hours, the number of wallets that communicate on Shiba Inu PuppyNet has gone from 4,059,878 to 5,833,845, a huge jump of nearly 2 million. During the same time, the overall number of transactions went from 3,149,432 to 3,234,888. In this video, we'll talk about Binance's response to the Shiba Inu community's request for answers. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Crypto Rand, a well-known crypto expert, tweeted on Friday, "The focus is on Shib. It is trying to get out." A screenshot of a chart that the analyst shared shows that the popular meme token has finished the falling wedge pattern several times since August of last year. After that, there was a breakout. The analyst says that Shiba Inu has made this reversal pattern again, which means that the coin may go up a lot. According to CoinMarketCap, the second biggest crypto Shib with a dog theme is being sold for 1,128 cents. According to some data, Shib is now more popular than Ethereum, even though it just recently got momentum that pushed it over the $2,000 mark. This week, Ethereum finally got the Chapel upgrade, which let buyers take their ETF out of the Beacon chain deposit contract. But when it was talked about on social media, many people started putting even more Ethereum into it. Lunar Crush data shows that Ethereum is way ahead of Shiba Inu. However, the price of Shiba Inu is stable, even though a big whale dumped over $6 million worth of Shib. Etherscan data shows that the 29th biggest Shiba Inu whale dumped an eye-popping 538 billion Shib worth $6,074,020 in 5 large trades over the past 12 days. On April 2, the top Shiba Inu whales started their selling spree by getting rid of a disastrous 200 million Shib worth $2,258,000. On April 5, the whales sold an extra 100 billion Shib worth $1,129,000, which was a big deal. The next step was the April 7 sale of 88 billion Shib worth $993,520. Even though she had already sold a huge amount, the whale sold another 72 billion Shib, which is worth $812,880. In her last deal, which took place on April 11, she sold another 78 billion Shib worth $880,620. Even after all the selling, the whale still has a huge amount of money, $3,599,890,076,773. She had $40,642,758 worth of Shib in her pocket. Remember that about $22 million worth of digital assets, including 172.55 billion Shib worth $1.9 million, were stolen from Bitrue recently. As Crypto Basic reported earlier, the hacker has already sold 22.55 billion Shib, worth more than $254,000, on a well-known exchange in Singapore. This was done in 6 separate deals. Today at 2:34 UTC, 2 billion Shib were sold. This was the most recent trade. Even though there have been a lot of bad sell-offs, the price of Shiba Inu has continued to go up. The price of Shib has gone up 6.6% in the last 14 days and 2.9% in the last week, according to CoinGecko. On the cryptocurrency market, there have been many stories of early buyers who made a lot of money. One of these stories is about a man who bought Shiba Inu when it first came out and cashed out $100 million during the bull run. The person who made $100 million from Shiba Inu Shib was one of the first people to buy the joke coin when it was just starting out. He kept his investment even though the price of the coin went through the roof, and he finally sold it during the bull run in 2021. After a long wait from the Shiba team, the Shiba Inu public testnet went live a few days ago, making him a lot of money. The town was overjoyed, Its symbols, Shiba, bone, showed how exciting it was. On the other hand, it looks like the Shib and Bone coins reacted to a problem in the Shibarium paradise on March 16. A well-known member of the Shiba Inu community pointed out several problems with the Shibarium Layer 2 public testnet, which caused the main Discord page for the project to catch on fire. A worried member of the community said that the Shibarium chain ID was already being used by another blockchain. He went on to say that it seemed like the Shibarium testnet had taken the Genesis file from the testnet and renamed itself Shibarium, but had forgotten to change the chain ID. The post got a lot of attention, which made Shiba Inu's top developer, Satoshi Kusama, reply. Satoshi's remarks didn't do much to calm people down because it didn't address the real problem. Because of this, the Shib and Bone pieces have become less valuable in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu were getting more popular until March 15. By the time the market closed on March 15, Shib had lost 7.45% of its value. It fell by more than 1%. As of this writing, the Relative Strength Index of RSI was over 40 because the price change was so big, but it is now below 40 because the price has dropped by more than 7%. Lastly, the RSI showed that it was still going down, which was what it had been doing for a while. According to the Bone's daily timeframe chart, it had been hit harder than normal. At the time this was written, the price had gone down by more than 13% and was around $1.02. At the end of trading on March 15, it had dropped 6.67%, making its loss in 24 hours more than 11%. Because it went down, the RSI line also went down, and at the time of release, it was getting close to the oversold zone. According to CoinMarketCap, the market value of Bone has dropped by more than 17% in the last 24 hours, while the volume has grown by more than 200%. Prices for Shiba Inu are going down, but there isn't a rising feud. Statistics from Sentiment show that the amount of coins on exchanges stayed the same, which means there was no big inflow of coins. At the time this was written, the supply exchange measure was around 132.5 trillion. In the next few days, Satoshi Kusama might need to explain the testnet ID trouble. Its lack could hurt a project that hasn't fully launched yet, and the tokens that go with it. The post Shiba Inu response to community worries about Shibarium appeared first on Bitcoin World. Satoshi Kusama has talked about how important new technologies and utility merging are to keeping the price of Shib high, even though it keeps burning. He said that the Shiba Inu group hadn't done enough burns to support the price of the asset just through burns. Kusama said these things recently when she was responding to worries raised by a community member in the Shibarium Telegram group, which is run by the community. The person was worried that the price of Shiba Inu was staying the same even though the burn rate had recently gone up a lot. In reaction, Kusama said that the price of Shiba Inu isn't always fixed or stable. He pointed out that the asset's recent small gains are worth noting. Shiba Inu has gone up in value by 3.5% in the last day and 4.1% in the last week. Kusama also said that swing traders use small returns to make more money. The Shiba Inu leader then tried to answer the issues that were